Picture this: the most dangerous ant in the world, the bulldog ant. Fierce, aggressive, and alarmingly smart. When under threat, these little warriors launch a rear attack, darting out of alternative exits in their nests. But they don't stop there. Harnessing an exceptional 1-2 punch, they bite and sting simultaneously, pumping venom so potent it can take down a grown man in a mere 15 minutes. Speed, alertness, and a fierce independence define them. Unlike many of their ant brethren, bulldog ants forego organization, each ant fending for itself. Even the queen, the heart of the colony, is self-sufficient, finding her own food. And should you disturb her highness, she'll race to the deepest corner of her realm, making capture a formidable task.